already. Today's video is going to be a quick idea what to give to your kids' teachers for Christmas. A little gift that is like before they get out of school for the winter break, or a little, they could also be a good Christmas gift, but I would give it like at the beginning of December so they have time to display it, just because of the idea that I have for you guys to gift it. For that, I'm going to simply show you what I'm going to be giving to both of my daughter's teachers. I choose the same thing for both of them. Look at this. I chose these nutcrackers, and it's a teacher nutcracker. I did modify the eyes. They used to be blue, and I made them brown. That's for one teacher, and that's for the other. It's the same nutcracker, but as you can see, it looks a bit different because I changed the hairstyle. Look at this. It looks a little bit different. Both teachers have curly hair, but this one's, of course, they don't. But look at, that's how I changed the hair. It looks a little bit different. You see, the back looks way different than from the front, I will think. You see, just changing the front to the back gives it a different kind of view to the nutcracker, but it's a good idea. You can give them that little nutcracker. I'm gonna be adding the nutcracker, some chocolates, and a little card. We have a little card. It's a Cinderella little holiday gown. We wrote something inside for her, why we chose this little gift right there. And we're gonna add a little bit of chocolates. You can add as well a little gift card, but my idea is to give the nutcracker to be displayed if you wanted to for the holidays, because it's a nutcracker, or for the entire year. I don't know. She can have that. You can simply add it into a little bag, and you have a perfect little gift. I'm going to show you how I do it, and then you can grab this idea and run with it. I did save the paper that Hobby Lobby gave me. This is a doll from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to be covering it like this. Oh, I like to take off the prices of things, but it's up to you if you want it. You know, I was barely thinking right now that I was covering. I'm gonna add the teacher's name right here. To who? That way it's a little more personal and super cute. I did find this one on Hobby Lobby. I did not see a nutcracker male teacher, but of course you can give it something else if you have a male teacher, right? I'm going to be adding her chocolates in here too. So it's like a little bouquet. We'll grab the bag, we'll grab the little card. And we'll include it here. I will add a little sticker here, or a little piece of tape, so it gets covered. I added a little tape here, and it's all good. I can. It looks nice if I were to leave it like this with a little thing, but I know that my daughter's not going to be able to grab it, so I'm going to hold it inside like this, so she's able to grab it like this, and it's all good to go. little gifts, little ideas for the teachers. A nutcracker is a great idea to give them. They can display it for the holidays or for the whole entire year, and it's a cute thank you to all the teachers of their hard work of educating our children. Thank you guys for watching. Other than that, please click subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you did, thank you very much, and I hope you liked the little click video. Bye-bye.